My dear friends, this is the beginning of the most holy of weeks, the week that changed the world forever. At his entry into Jerusalem, Jesus was wanted, welcomed, and hailed triumphantly. The apostles were all there when he entered Jerusalem, but only one of them was present at the cross. If we had been there, where would we have been? Have you ever stopped and thought about it? Do you hope that you would have been there? Do you hope you would have stayed with Jesus as a good and holy soul? Let us now consider this. During the Passion, Jesus instituted the Eucharist because he wanted to remain with us until the end of time. Jesus took the bread, said the blessing, broke it, and gave it to them, saying, "This is my body, which will be given up for you. Do this in memory of me." Three key words that we sometimes miss. Do this memory. Jesus is really saying to the apostles, his priest, do, which means take, bless, break, and give. This, me, my body, make me present in the Eucharist at every Mass. And memory, the Greek word for memory is amnesis, which doesn't mean to look at it as a picture. It means to bring the past into the present and the present into the past. The Eucharist is the miracle of miracles. Time and space do not exist for the Lord. And at the moment of the consecration, which we'll soon partake and witness, we are all taken to the foot of Calvary at the instant of the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Our eyes cannot see, but we are all there at the very moment when Jesus is being crucified. Jesus saw you. But you are thinking, this is more than 2,000 years ago. How can this be? It's hard for us to imagine because we only know how to measure things by time. However, keep in mind, time does not exist in eternity. It's all one big now. There is no beginning. There is no end. All now. That's what eternity is. At the crucifixion, Jesus saw you from the cross. He saw the goodness of your heart, your love, your devotion, and all your efforts. And this is really the big part. You gave him comfort. You here, not you 2,000 years ago, you here gave him comfort because in eternity he saw you. Yes, my dear friends, Jesus saw you from the cross just as he sees you now. So want him, welcome him, hail him, and allow Jesus to touch you each week right here at Mass. We adore you, O Christ, and we praise you because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world.